लाईफगार्ड 21,000 पगार आणि 17 लाईफगार्डांक परत घेवचे म्हूण मागतात. बुधवारात दृष्टीच्या याचिकेचेर हायकोर्टात सुनावणी जाली. लाईफगार्डांची केस मांडपी आयटकान मंत्र्यांनी केल्ल्या एग्रीमेंटाचेर आर्ग्युमेंट घालो. पर्यटन मंत्री दिलीप परोळेकार आणि कामगार मंत्री अवेर्तान फुर्तादोन 21 नोव्हेंबर 2014 आंदोलन करपी लाईफगार्डांक एग्रीमेंट सही करून दिल्ले. ताचेर सरकारी वकिलान जाप दितना ते एग्रीमेंट सरकारान करूंक ना म्हूण आर्ग्युमेंट घालो. मंत्र्यांनी केल्ल्या एग्रीमेंटाचे कंपनीक बंधन आसना म्हूण दृष्टीच्या वकिलान सांगले. सरकार आणि दृष्टी हायकोर्टात लाईफगार्डां एका तोंडान उलयले.
When the matter came up for hearing, union also came out with their own references regarding some MOU signed between the government. They claim it is government and the trade union. Now it has been pointed out to the High Court by all the parties that there is no contract or 2111 MOU what they are referring to is not signed by the government. It has been signed by two individual ministers and an MLA, and it is not binding on the government. That cannot be considered by this honorable by the High Court today. So ultimately, High Court, it was what we have done is the petition on technical grounds. So petition was challenging the strike notices of 9th and 10th of April. 9th of 10th of April is over. They withdrew the strike. They kept the strike notice in abeyance. So in view of that, the petition had practically become infructuous. So the petition is allowed to be withdrawn by the High Court, granting us liberty to come back if the occasion arises.
कोर्टाच्या निकाला उपरांत आता लाईफगार्डांच्या संपाचो निर्णय रोखडोच जातलो म्हूण लाईफगार्डांचो वकील उलयलो.
It cannot be the agreement between the minister and the respondent union. The agreement is a promise. The agreement is a public assurance. The agreement is a written agreement signed by director of the respondent number 2, that is the tourism department. It is signed by the labor commissioner. So it is a binding agreement on the government. They cannot say that it is not a binding, because in their affidavit the government has said that they themselves have enforced this agreement and said that we have entered into sign the minutes with the union, and we will do all methods or all efforts to solve this problem. That is what the affidavit of the government says. The union can serve the notice on the government. The union can serve the notice on the employer and can strike the work at any moment. So we'll take a collective decision. The union has to consult its workers, and then the decision will be taken whether they want to go on a strike or they don't want to go on a strike.
लाईफगार्ड दोबरात पगार आणि कामावेल्यान काडिल्ल्या लाईफगार्डांक परत घेवचे म्हूण मागतात. लाईफगार्डांचो संप पर्यटन मंत्री परोळेकार आणि कामगार मंत्री अवेर्तानान फाटले एग्रीमेंट करून थंड केल्लो. आता तोय मध्यस्थीचो मार्ग बंद जाला. प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.